places. The sensors can be used for opening the doors. Whenever a human came near to the door will automatically open, which comes under the sensor networks. Everything comes under the tools used can be said as a Google Voice Assistant or a Amazon Alexa to control all the smart home devices. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. And I wish all the students who are watching this channel score good marks in your academics and get placed in a good company. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the applications of computers as part 1 video. Today we are going to discuss about the important 5 applications. In part 2 later on it will be continued. Okay, the first application we are going to consider is application of computer in the business. Here 2 points we are going to discuss, that is transaction processing and then the financial management. In transaction processing, the transactions can be said it can be of a money transaction or it can be of a raw material transaction, so on. For a business, the raw materials has to be bought to the company and it has to be enhanced and designed and in their product can be made. So the transaction processing can be done with the suppliers, employees and then the end user customers. And then next comes the financial management. When financial management, we can using the computers, you can be able to analyze what about the different products you have manufactured for a particular year or for a particular period, how the expenses are calculated, how the products have an impact with the customers. Everything can be analyzed statistically with the help of the financial management software. Some of the tools used in the businesses are personal capital, future advisor and Quicken. Nowadays in India, we are using the mobile applications, the financial management apps or the transaction processing apps can be said as a Paytm, GPay and so on. So that's all about the applications of computers in business. The next application we are going to discuss about is the computers can be used for playing with the computers. It can be of any chessboard game or any carom board game, whatever thing. You can be able to play with the computer. The player can be a human and the opponent can be a computer. It has a AI technology and it will keep it moves by thinking intelligent. So it has we have the enable property to play games with the computer. The best tool or the apps used is the Subway Surfers, which has 304 million downloads as of 2022. So that's all about the play with the computers. And then the next application we are going to discuss about is the home applications. The first point is we are going to consider is the online services. Nowadays in online services we can able to order food or buy any electronics item or whatever furnitures, whatever things we want for home, everything can be done with the help of the online services. And then using the computers we can able to use emails, download audio files or video files, and you can browse through the internet using the World Wide Web, that is www. Using these different websites we can able to browse and get the products and or download or whatever operations can be done. These and all comes under the home applications. And then the tools used for controlling the smart home devices. The smart home devices are nothing but the very simple lights and fans or everything which can be controlled using a computerized mode using some remotes and sensors. You have experience in some places in hotels or some other places. The sensors can be used for opening the doors. Whenever a human or a person came near to the door will automatically open, which comes under the sensor networks. Everything comes under the applications of the home network. So for controlling or the tools used can be said as a Google Voice Assistant or a Amazon Alexa to control all the smart home devices. That's all about the applications of the computers in homes. Next comes the applications of computers in the industry. In the industry, we can represent as a CAD and the CAM. CAD is nothing but the computer aided design. CAM is nothing but the computer aided manufacturing. That is, in the design, the products has to be designed. After the designing is complete, the products has to be developed and manufactured. That is the CAM. The products can be, say, it can be any raw material for a bike or a car, or it can be a jewel also. Everything has to be designed in a precise manner or in accurate manner to match the required or the developed product. That is the application of the computers in the industries. That is, using the Zoom meetings, they can be able to have transactions or the discussion about the how the designs are made or how the products are delivered. They can have a discussion using the Zoom meetings. So that's all about the industry applications. The final point, that is the education department. Now, before 2 years back, we all have experience during the corona period. Every teaching classes has been done only through the online. No offline classes are done. Everything comes under the online classes, which can be viewed through the computer or it can be a mobile devices. There are so many apps that can be able to connect a teacher and a student. That is, at a particular time, the teacher will deliver a particular session and the students has to be stay connected with the teacher through that particular app. The various online courses or the various education softwares or the apps used can be represented as only few I have represented here. You may know more. Suppose if you know more about the apps, comment in the comment section. The first tool is Quill. That is the free site for learning grammar. And then next comes the Edmodo, EDMODO. That is the education tool which connects the students and the teachers. And then finally, Grammarly app everyone can use when writing in the computers. It can manually, it can able to correct or the correct pronunciation or the apostrophes, commas, whatever things, every accent can be corrected using the Grammarly app. Okay, these are the 5 important applications which we have discussed in the part 1 video. In part 2 video, we have another 5 applications. So, stay tuned with Sai Suriyas Academy. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you.